Suppama. Autonomous self-service SUP rental stations offer a compelling business model that leverages technology to provide a convenient and accessible water sports experience. By eliminating the need for on-site staff, these stations provide 24/7 access to SUPs, allowing customers to rent and return boards at their convenience. Increased revenue. 24/7 operations and reduced labor costs can significantly boost revenue. Customer convenience offers flexibility and ease of use for customers. Data-driven insights. Technology can gather valuable customer data to optimize operations and marketing. Scalability. The model can be easily replicated in multiple locations. Vandalism and theft. Implementing robust security measures is crucial. Equipment maintenance. Regular inspections and repairs are essential. BeBot, a remarkable beach cleaning robot. This innovative machine is designed to efficiently collect litter and debris from sandy shores. It's a significant step towards preserving our coastal environment's purpose, to clean beaches of litter and debris, preventing pollution and protecting marine life. Functionality. The robot sifts through sand, identifying and collecting various types of waste. Impact. Contributes to cleaner beaches, healthier ecosystems, and a more sustainable future. Introduction. Highlight the problem of beach pollution and its impact. BeBot's solution. Explain how the BeBot works. Environmental impact. Discuss the positive effects of using the BeBot on the environment. Igloo's Trailmate series is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who demand durability, functionality, and ample cooling capacity. These coolers are built to withstand the rigors of camping, beach trips, tailgating, and more. All-terrain wheels easily navigate various terrains, from sandy beaches to rough campsites. Durable construction. Built to last with high-quality materials. Ample storage, various sizes to accommodate your needs. Additional features. Many models include built-in bottle openers, cup holders, and other convenient extras. Trailmate Journey, known for its large capacity and impressive ice retention. Trailmate Hardside, offers rugged durability and excellent insulation. Trailmate Softsides, lightweight and portable, perfect for day trips. Bravada Atlas V Series yachts represented a groundbreaking concept in houseboating, merging the opulence of super yachts with the practicality of freshwater living. Unparalleled luxury. These yachts boasted lavish interiors with multiple staterooms, gourmet kitchens, multiple fireplaces, and advanced entertainment systems. Spacious exteriors, customizable designs. Owners could personalize their yachts to match their unique tastes and preferences. Innovative design. The Atlas V series showcased a modern, sleek aesthetic, setting a new standard for houseboat design. While Bravada Yachts, unfortunately, ceased operations, the Atlas V series left an enduring legacy. Their yachts redefined what was possible in Easthills Outdoors is a popular choice for beachgoers seeking quality and convenience. Their beach tents are designed to provide ample shade, protection from the elements, and a comfortable space to relax. Easy setup. Most Easthills Outdoors beach tents feature pop-up designs for quick and hassle-free assembly. UV protection. These tents offer UPF 50+ sun protection to safeguard your skin from harmful rays. Ventilation. Designed with airflow in mind, they help keep you cool and comfortable. Durability. Built to withstand beach conditions, including wind and sand. Variety of sizes. Options to accommodate individuals, couples, or families. Instant Shader Enhanced Deluxe XL offers ample space, extended zippered porch, and double silver coating for superior sun protection. BeachSole is a brand that specializes in producing portable, pump-operated showers, designed to provide a refreshing rinse after any outdoor adventure. These showers are perfect for beach days, camping trips, festivals, and other outdoor activities. Portability, compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry. Eco-friendly, no need for electricity or batteries. Versatile, suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities. Easy to use, simple pump operation for water flow. Durable, built to withstand outdoor conditions. BeachSole offers different models to suit various needs. The most common is the 8-liter shower, providing a decent amount of water for a refreshing rinse. Some models may also come with additional features. Bluefin can refer to several different things. To provide the most relevant information, please specify which area you're interested in. A prized catch. Bluefin tuna is a large, fast-swimming fish known for its high-quality meat. Sustainability concerns. Overfishing has led to concerns about the sustainability of bluefin tuna populations. Protecting sensitive information. Bluefin is a company specializing in payment and data security solutions. Secure transactions. Their services help businesses protect customer data. Cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bluefin is a platform focused on building a decentralized financial ecosystem. Financial services. It aims to provide various financial services within the blockchain space. Business setup in Dubai. Bluefin Corporate Services offers assistance with Takuma eTow is a revolutionary electric watercraft designed to tow you through the water, offering a new level of freedom and excitement for water sports enthusiasts. Self-righting. The eTow is designed to automatically right itself, ensuring safety and ease of use. Remote control. Easily maneuver the eTow using a handheld remote control. Twin jet propulsion. Provides powerful and consistent pulling force. Long battery life. Enjoy extended riding sessions with up to 85 minutes of battery life. Seaworthy. Built to handle various water conditions, from flat water to open ocean swells. The eTow uses twin jet propulsion to generate thrust, pulling you through the water. The rider controls the direction and speed of the eTow using a handheld remote. The self-righting feature ensures that the Icon of the Seas is a groundbreaking cruise ship that redefined the concept of luxury and adventure at sea. As the largest cruise ship in the world, it boasts an array of unparalleled amenities and experiences. Thrill Island, a dedicated area featuring the tallest waterslide at sea, a suspended infinity pool, and other exhilarating attractions. The Hideaway, an adults-only retreat offering serene pools, bars, and relaxation areas. Aquadome, a transformative venue that transitions from a daytime pool to a nighttime entertainment space. Iconic entertainment, world-class shows, live music, and captivating performances. Diverse dining, a wide range of dining options, from casual to fine dining. Icon of the Seas offers something for everyone. FlyWay is an open-source database migration tool that simplifies the process of managing database schema changes over time. It helps you track, apply, and roll back database updates in a reliable and efficient manner. Version control tracks database changes using version numbers. Migration scripts allows you to create scripts for database updates. Automation integrates with build tools like Maven and Gradle for automated migrations. Rollback provides the ability to undo database changes. Baseline sets an initial database state for new environments. Validation checks database schema consistency.